Hello guys, my name is JB Dunn and today I will show you how to prevent right click and save for on your HTML website. Right click, what I mean by right clicking to save, I mean this right clicking an image to save. So I have an example website right here. This is an index.html website and this is my image from one of my blog sites. So as you can see, we have a simple image right here. If you don't know how to create an HTML file like this, all you have to do really is get Visual Studio and type here right near. Now as you can see, first of all you have to have an image tag. So to do that is pretty simple, just type image. This will be the source of your image. It can be a local image file, like for example I will go ahead and create this new BMP image or bitmap image. And I will draw some shapes. There we go, save the image. You can also use your local image instead of remote one. Save that. And if we refresh, there we go. Now the problem is that you can here save image as. Now that is a problem. And you can also save by dragging and dropping the image on your desktop right here, which again is a problem. Now I will show you how to prevent that. It's a bit simple actually. The simplest method I can find is by wrapping your image with a div. So right here, save, or if we refresh this, there we go. As you can see, I'm right clicking right now and the context menu does not appear. Alright, but people can still drag the image and save it like I have shown you earlier. So to go the extra mile, you can also use a CSS like here. First of all, you can do CSS by putting them directly into your HTML file, but you can also do external CSS like this. What I mean by external CSS, I mean you create your CSS file, style.css. This is the file name extension for your CSS file. But to keep things simpler, I will just put the CSS file directly into this. Don't worry, like the use case is a bit similar. I mean almost similar. Now this is the class name right here, and this is the image tag. Now class, you can name the class to anything you want. I'm just going to name it no drag please. This is the div and this is the image. Alright, now if we refresh it again, you can see that I cannot drag this anymore. I should also tell you that if you want to disable dragging on all web browser, then you need to include pretty much all web browser, because people don't just use Chrome, they also use Firefox and Safari. Now this is for Chrome and Safari. This is for Conqueror or whatever. This is for Mozilla, as indicated by the Moz name. This one is for, again, this is for Chrome and Safari, and this is for MS Edge, Microsoft Edge. I should also point out that this only discourage people from right-clicking. It doesn't prevent them from just using inspect element and then go to the image and then save it from there. It can still be bypassed, but it will make it a lot harder than usual. And you cannot use inspect element on mobile web browsers, Android web browser, iOS web browser, unless you use a web browser app that supports inspect element, and even then it's kind of a pain in the ass to do that. But anyway, this is the tutorial for today. This is how you prevent right click and save your image for your HTML site. If you find this tutorial very helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share this video on your social media account. Oh, don't forget to leave a comment too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.